A quiet shift is happening behind the scenes at Samsung, and the closer we get, the clearer it becomes that this next software jump is about to reshuffle the whole Galaxy experience. Features once considered future plans are suddenly showing up in internal builds. Testers are spotting tools that weren't supposed to exist yet. And the timeline is moving faster than anyone expected. Something big is brewing, and it's closer than you think. Welcome back, viewers. James here. Like, share, and subscribe for more. Right now, Samsung is in the final stretch of shaping One UI 8.5, and insiders are convinced the public beta could go live any moment. For months, developers have been refining test builds quietly, but the recent activity on Samsung's servers has blown the lid open. New build numbers keep appearing at an unusually rapid pace, a clear sign that internal testing has reached the stability Samsung needs before opening the gates to users. The biggest hint came from the CYK7 build wrapping up, followed by another candidate expected to roll out to beta testers next. Every leak points in one direction. The countdown has already started. This update is also about timing. Originally, whispers suggested Samsung's S26 lineup might slip into early March, but reliable sources now claim those concerns have been resolved. If Samsung stays on its original schedule, One UI 8.5 won't just debut alongside the S26 series, it will arrive fully polished and preloaded, making the new flagships feel instantly different the moment they're powered on. And once that happens, the wave of updates for older Galaxy models will begin rolling out in stages, bringing smoother performance, faster animations, and a fresh design language that Samsung has been quietly building for months. And speaking of design, One UI 8.5 is adopting a new glass-styled visual layer that spreads across system menus, widgets, notifications, and panels. Early testers describe it as clean, airy, and noticeably more modern, like someone finally aligned the software with the hardware's premium look. Pair that with upgraded Galaxy AI on top, and you get an interface that not only looks better but feels more intelligent in daily use. The twist? This type of mid-cycle redesign rarely gets a public beta. Samsung usually saves this level of overhaul for major version releases, but this year, they're switching gears and letting users try everything early. But there's another surprise buried inside the update. Samsung is preparing a completely redesigned Smart Manager Hub. Screenshots from internal sources show a full control center packed with tools for battery, storage, performance, system health, and finally, a proper app lock baked directly into the settings. You'll be able to set a PIN, pattern, or password, and once biometrics are enabled, apps can be unlocked with your face or fingerprint. It even includes advanced toggles for background limits, data control, and app recovery options if something crashes unexpectedly. The new Smart Manager also organizes storage in two much clearer categories, showing junk files, installation packages, large media, cached data, and app leftovers. There are sections for battery protection, standby optimization, extended power modes, and a keep active toggle to allow specific apps to bypass restrictions for instant notifications. It's a far more complete system than the older device care menu, though the interface still looks like it needs some polishing before Samsung pushes it out globally. Meanwhile, almost every major device line is gearing up for eligibility. The S26 and S25 families, S24 and S23 series, older S22 and S1 units, Galaxy Z Fold and Z Flip generations going back multiple releases, plus a wide lineup of Galaxy A, F, and M series models. Even tablets from the Tab S10 Fe to the Tab Active lineup are on the list. Basically, if you bought a Galaxy in the last few years, chances are you're getting One UI 8.5. At this point, all Samsung has to do is flip the switch. The internal builds look close to final, the pace of updates is accelerating, and the company is clearly preparing something bigger than a routine patch. Whether the beta drops this month or slides quietly into early 2026, the finish line is in sight, and the next wave of Galaxy features is already locked in.